Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the book of Ephesians, which is one of the books in the New Testament of the Bible. This book was written by the Apostle Paul to the Ephesians, a Christian community located in the city of Ephesus in Asia Minor. In this book, Paul talks about God's grace, redemption, unity in the church, and Christian life in general. In the first part of the book, Paul talks about God's grace and redemption. He explains that God chose to save men through faith in Jesus Christ, and that this grace is a free gift offered to all. He also explains that men were once dead in their sins, but through Jesus Christ, they can now be reconciled with God and have access to eternal life. In the second part of the book, Paul talks about unity in the church. He explains that all believers in Jesus Christ are part of one body, and that it is important to live in harmony with each other. He also explains that each person has received different gifts from God, and that these gifts should be used to serve others and build up the church. Finally, in the third part of the book, Paul gives practical instructions for Christian living. He talks about how husbands and wives should behave, the importance of fighting against the forces of evil, and the necessity of putting our trust in God. In summary, we have seen in this video a quick overview of the book of Ephesians. This book is a source of encouragement for Christians around the world, as it reminds us that God's grace is available to all. We hope that this video has inspired you to discover in more detail everything that it has to offer and that you will be encouraged in your walk with God. If you have any questions or comments about the book of Ephesians or about the Christian faith in general, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. We would be delighted to exchange with you and accompany you in your spiritual journey. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you again very soon for new discussions around the Bible and the Christian faith.